But let's go back to that window screen. We were talking about personalizing it, moving things around, putting things that you like. There are other things you can do to group them. We have a lot of things here, and we might want to put them into little groups. So if I decided to put just a couple of these items together that made sense, let's see, I'll put Amazon and Netflix and Prodeo. I'll put these all together, and I can call that my entertainment group. I could actually put a little name right there. The way I'm going to do that is I'm going to hit the Control button, it's right at the corner, and use my mouse wheel to make it smaller. Once I've done that, I could right-click the entire group and give it a name. I'll call this one Entertainment. Now, when we go back full screen, you'll see the word Entertainment written right across the top. This group here are things that I actually work with. So again, I'm going to hit the Control button and wheel it to make it a little smaller. And I'm going to call this group Work. And now when you see it full screen, we have Work and we have Entertainment. You can do this for every little grouping that you have. It might make it a little more simpler to find what you're looking for. However, there is a very quick way to find what you're looking for, and that is to simply start typing it. For example, let's say I needed Microsoft Word. I want to type a new letter or something. I don't have to scroll, I don't have to look anywhere. I can simply start typing Word, and there it is. It found it immediately for me. Let's try that with something else. Let's pretend I wanted to find Facebook in a hurry without scrolling around. All I'm going to do is start typing the word Facebook. I only got as far as face, and there it was. That's the quickest way to find an application. So if there's something you're looking for, just name it. A moment ago I was reading the newspaper, USA Today. There it is. So we have several ways of finding things on our screen. The first way is to be scrolling with the little wheel to look through everything. Another way is to hit our Windows button and the letter Q, which will show us all of our applications. And finally, instead of doing all of that, we can just start typing. If I wanted to find Netflix, there it is. I just started typing. We've also learned thus far that pressing the Windows button will bring us to this traditional Windows 8 screen, but if we hit the Windows button and the letter D, we'll get a desktop. And that might be where you want to spend most of your time. Someplace where you can see all of your programs, see what time it is, click around in a much more comfortable environment. But hopefully, knowing that you can always go back, knowing that you can move things around however you like, knowing that you can name them in different ways so that you can find things, personalizing your workspace to make it a little more yours will make Windows 8 a little less intimidating. Next, we're going to have a few more tips and tricks to find our way around and make work a little more productive.